We're live again. Alright. Wow, Wi-Fi is a issue. But anyways, we're live again. We're live again from home. And let me check the kbps. Let me check the speed. Show me some green. That's too red right now. Wow. Okay, 3000. We have hit. Oh no. Oh no, we're at 0. 73. Okay, show me some green. Give me some green. No, 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 Alright, I don't know what's gonna happen, but let's see. We can keep going, I think. It's good to stress test. This is good to stress test all the different scenarios in which you would want to live stream. You want natural light. I think natural light is so important. If you are in a space where all you have is artificial light, it's really bad for your eyes. You want to get that natural light. This is good. All right. I don't know if this is working, but let's see. All right. I'm curious to ask this to Grok. Flow was processing. Cancel. Yes, cancel. What is the latest update from Perplexity? Whoa, something's not right. What is the latest update from Perplexity? Whisper Flow, work for me. Everything, please work for me. Wi-Fi is so important. Internet connection. This world runs on internet connection. Give me better internet connection. That's it. Like now, what we are fighting for is good internet connection. And in case you don't have good internet connection, how can you be really creative with whatever you have access to? That's also really important. That's also really important. Major advancements to Perplexity computer. The agentic computer use platform acts like a person or team. AI system capable of handling complex charts, data works and workflows. Grok is also making some good updates. Look at this. Share link. Okay. Move to project. Unshare chat. Delete chat. Okay. Snowflake integration, data science for every team. Perplexity launched an app connector for Snowflake. Query live Snowflake warehouse data using plain natural language. Shared semantic layer that translates questions into accurate SQL based on defined tables, metrics, and business logic. Admins when taking control over access, review edit business definitions, and ensure consistent data across the organization. Teams can now perform analysis. Okay, availability. Security deep dive for computer. Perplexity published a detailed blog post explaining how security is built into computer by design. Tasks run in hardware isolated sandboxes, Firecracker, micro VMs with dedicated kernel and prior networking. Enterprise features, Splunk Datadog. Personal computer now available to all Mac users. Rolled out everyone on Mac. Perplexity is aggressively expanding computer as a core product, focusing on accessibility, enterprise readiness, practical capabilities. They maintain an active change log. and blog hub for detailed announcements. How do you think Perplexity can win in this market? How do you think Perplexity can win? It's very interesting. I think Perplexity is those one of those companies which you don't really know. Perplexity is one of those companies which you don't really know what's gonna. It is a proper. Perplexity is one of those companies which is a proper. Uh, oh no, something's not working. What is the latest update? How do you think Perplexity can win in this market? Whisper flow. Oh, it worked. It worked. Okay. All right. Cool. Yeah, Perplexity is one of those pure AI labs right now because they are clearly just chasing and building whatever is at the frontier. They understand that there is nothing like resting on your wins because the moment you win, that becomes a commodity. You have a small window where the win you have is puts you at the frontier and people will pay you money for that because now it's all about the 2-3 months of window where people will try things and that's it. That's it. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's like Perplexity knows that nobody is just subscribed to Perplexity $200 Pro Max, whatever that is, forever. They are only coming when they want to try something new. So when somebody wants to try Perplexity computer, they are trying that. But after that, they're out. So they know that every time they push the frontier, every time they push the frontier, find a new product, they have a window in which they can make money. Because after that, that becomes a commodity. And then they can make money out of it. Credible but narrow path to winning significant ground in 26 AI market, on becoming the new ChatGPT, owning a high value niche, trusted, grounded, enterprise grade agentic work. Dominates consumer mindshare, broad usage. Google still owns traditional search. Anthropic leads in many enterprise safety conscious segments. OpenAI is pushing hard into agents and computer use. Raw model performance is converging, so the battle is shifting to orchestration, safety, integrations, and workflow depth. That's really cool. This is amazing for humanity. This is amazing for everybody else that all these biggest labs are fighting to give you the best product. This is exactly what we wanted. They are the smartest people are fighting to give you the best things in the cheapest way possible. The smartest people in the world are fighting to give you the best things in the cheapest way possible. Really cool. Oh, X just recently launched something new. Would it be valuable to know how many of your followers have been active on X in the last 24 hours? Very interesting. In account analytics, it's like, this is amazing. Like the way they are moving, this is amazing. You can really understand the smartest people in the world are fighting to give you the best things in the cheapest way possible. I think this is amazing because whoa. Now Elon is talking all about cursor, but anyways, this is amazing because it's like the smartest people in the world. Anthropic, OpenAI, these are really smart people, did all that PhD. Now they are creating these research models. They're doing all the research, investing all the time over there to do what? To give you the best things possible. This is amazing. This is amazing for humanity. Let's see. Let's play with some changes. This is all ours. We made this, so we can play with it. You don't have any sort of rules that you have to adhere to. You create your own rules, so it's amazing. Anyways, so even with X, it's really cool to see like how Nikita Beer, and everybody in the team, they are just shipping. They're constantly shipping things. They're constantly thinking about that. Okay, what more can we offer you? How can we make this better for you? What is the product? And it's never done. It's never finished. A product like X is never finished. If the goal is to become human consciousness, if the goal is to become if the goal is to become the hub for human consciousness, for all the humanity to come together to talk over there, then what's important is that you just keep shipping. You keep shipping. You have this one big goal that, okay, we have to align everybody. How do we align everybody? You align everybody by making the algorithm in a certain way that everybody reads that algorithm. Only if it's all incentives, right? if you if you if you craft the algorithm in a way such that it feeds and it makes lives beautiful, if you craft the algorithm in a way such that it feeds, and you are incentivizing only a certain kind of tweets in the feed, and the algorithm is structured in a certain way, then what is happening is that suddenly everybody starts posting in that way. When you pay people money, when you pay people according to, yeah, money is a big part. Money is a big part. The reason why biggest media organizations operated in a way and did certain things is because that's how they were making